Every year, candidates underestimate the AI-103 exam and miss certification opportunities because they focus too heavily on theory. Meanwhile, Azure AI services, generative AI, and AI agents are becoming increasingly important exam topics. If you're preparing for the Developing AI Apps and Agents on Azure certification, this video will help you assess your readiness. You'll work through challenging practice questions, learn the reasoning behind the correct answers, and uncover knowledge gaps before exam day. These scenarios are aligned with key exam objectives and reflect the types of situations Microsoft expects candidates to understand. Don't just guess. Approach each question as if you're taking the real exam. Let's begin. Question 1. You are building a generative AI application that answers questions using internal PDF documents. The solution must minimize hallucinations, support semantic similarity searches, and provide responses based on the latest document updates. What should you implement? A. Store PDFs in blob storage and send them directly to the model. B. Fine-tune the model whenever documents are updated. C. Use Azure AI Search with embeddings and RAG. D. Store document metadata in Azure SQL and query with SQL. Here's your first practice question. Think carefully about the requirement. Take a few seconds before choosing your answer. Correct answer, C. Use Azure AI Search with embeddings and RAG. Explanation. RAG is the recommended architecture because it retrieves relevant information at runtime rather than relying on model memory. Azure AI Search supports vector indexing and semantic retrieval, allowing the model to generate responses based on current enterprise data. Question 2. An Azure OpenAI chatbot must retrieve customer account details from an external CRM system during a conversation. Which Azure OpenAI capability should you implement? A. Temperature tuning. B. Function calling. C. Few-shot prompting. D. Prompt caching. Think carefully before answering. The correct answer is B. Function calling. Explanation. Function calling allows the model to invoke external APIs and retrieve real-time information from systems such as CRM platforms. The model determines when the function should be called and incorporates the returned data into its response. Question 3. Your organization wants to reduce Azure OpenAI token consumption while maintaining answer quality in a RAG solution. Which action provides the greatest reduction in token usage? A. Increase top P. B. More relevant retrieval chunks. C. Increase temperature. D. Use larger prompts. Take 5 seconds to think before answering. Correct answer is B. More relevant retrieval chunks. Explanation. Improving retrieval so that only the most relevant and precise chunks are passed to the model reduces the amount of unnecessary context included in the prompt, which directly lowers token usage while maintaining or even improving answer quality. By the way, if you're looking for additional practice questions, realistic exam scenarios, and certification preparation materials, check out p2pexams.com. Many successful candidates use structured practice questions to reinforce concepts before taking the certification exam. Question 4. You are implementing a vector search solution using Azure AI Search. You need to ensure that user queries are compared against document embeddings using the same vector space. What should you do? A. Use same embedding model for docs and queries. B. Generate embeddings only for documents. C. Use semantic ranking instead of embeddings. D. Convert vectors to text before indexing. Pause for a few seconds and consider your answer. Correct answer is A. Use same embedding model for docs and queries. Explanation. In vector search with Azure AI Search, both documents and user queries must be converted into embeddings using the same embedding model, so they exist in the same vector space. This ensures meaningful similarity comparisons and accurate retrieval results. If you found these AI-103 practice questions helpful and want access to more realistic exam-style questions, visit p2pexams.com and strengthen your certification preparation with additional study resources. Also, subscribe to the channel because upcoming videos will cover even more topics and real-world exam challenges. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay focused on your certification goal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next exam preparation video.